Hey everybody, it's Matt Hall here, and today I got 3 new cars. Eric Breaker and Spikey Phillips 2-pack, and Chris Roman. Well, I really wanted Jonas Carvis, but he didn't come today. Sorry guys, but he will come next year in January 16th. So don't worry. So let's look at these. Let's take a look at these cars. So Eric Breaker 117 is the little torquey pistons. You see that sticker on him? That's been on the 117 car in the first Cars movie. So, do you want to see it? Okay, let's take a look at it. So, here's what he looks like. There he is. The little torquey pistons. 117. So there is a new racer. Well, that racer was missing, which was the Firebird fuel one. Number 56. Well, one racer took its place. Synergy. So let me show you what Synergy is. So here it is, Synergy, which Synergy is fuel. So this is Spikey Phillips, number 5. And Synergy is fuel. So you guys like it? Do you guys like it? So what do you think? Which one is better? Firebird fuel or Synergy? So next one is Calmster. So did you know what Calmster is? Well, let me show you a picture of Spikey Phillips. So here is Spikey Phillips, number 5, Synergy. So let's take a look at him. Here's the picture of him smiling. And now here he is for the race. So did you know? So is Synergy the best? Is the Synergy better than the fiber fuel? Or no? Just leave your answer down in the comments. So now here is Chris Roman. So is Calmster. So let me know in the comment section, is Calmster candy or not? Like the Taco Mint racer from Cars 1. So I'll show you the Taco Mint racer. Well, it was supposed to be. Well, the Taco Mint racer was supposed to be in the Cars 3 movie. I really like that one. The ones with the 100 numbers, they're my favorite. So this one, that's my favorite. So Eric Breaker is my favorite racer. Well, I like Lightning McQueen, though. And Jonas Carvis is my favorite, even the Taco Mint racer. I wish the Taco Mint racer was in the movie. So I'll show you the picture of the Taco Mint racer. So here he is, the Taco Mint racer, Greg Candyman. He looks really cool. Look at those candy canes. You guys see those candy canes? And that candy cane right here, I like it. So, what do you think about it? And the 101 is, the number 101 is candy cane. So, it might be, so could it be, so did Comster, so is Comster candy. So, just let me know, and we will get to this, and we will do it, and I'll tell you. So Comster is, I think it, well, no, Comster is candy, I guess. I guess Comster is candy, though. So guys, do not worry. I will get Jonas Carver's is coming next year. So, please, guys, please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to, so please, like and subscribe. And please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button. See you next time. Bye.